Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel Decor and DIY with Anita. Guys, in today's video I will be using these Dollar Tree items here guys to make a side table lamp, a night lamp, or a lantern. I'm gonna just call it a night lamp. This is gonna be perfect for any kid's room. At the Dollar Tree they have different prints in the placemat. I chose to go with the Spider-Man print because my kids love Spider-Man, Spidey and Friends. So I chose to go with this print because I'm going to be putting this in their room, guys. This is absolutely beautiful and such a great idea for a kid's room. So functional. Guys, I'm going to show you what I did with it, guys, because the little lantern that I purchased from the Dollar Tree is not going to be bright enough. So just keep on watching, guys. If you are not yet subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Guys, all I did is roll it up into a roll and add my double-sided tape to hold it down. You don't even need to use your glue gun. If you want, you could go ahead and use like Gorilla Glue or E6000 or stuff like that, just to make sure it's, it doesn't go anywhere. It stays together. Guys, I'm going to be placing this tiny little lantern that I purchased from the Dollar Tree right inside of it. And guys, this is going to be perfect for your kids' room. I'm telling you, you're going to want to try this DIY out. So inexpensive and such a great idea for a kid's room. Let me show you what it looks like. So guys, this is what it looks like inside the vase, and I'm not loving it inside the vase, but I'm trying it out. And let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you think I should leave it in the vase, I'm not loving it in the vase. So here's what I did. So I go right ahead and take it out of the vase and I add it to this table right here just to show you how you could set it up. And I'm using a flashlight because that little light is not bright enough. So if you have a flashlight, you could use it, or if you have a battery operated candle, you could also use that. I'm just showing you what it looks like with the flashlight, and this is looking absolutely beautiful. My kids was like going crazy. They're like, "Mommy, I love it, I love it, I love it." It turns out so beautiful, and I place it in their room. They are enjoying this. So for this other DIY, I'm going to be making a outdoor lantern, you guys, with these two items purchased from the, let me see, I purchased the solar light from Family Dollar for $1.25, and I purchased the basket from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. So as you can see, it lights up when you switch it on, and it has a little solar part at the top to charge it up outside in the sun during the day, and then at night it would come on. So that's how that works. So I'm gonna be well, right now I'm just measuring to see what amount I should cut, because I'm gonna be using my wire cutter to make a hole at the bottom of the basket. Guys, this is also a great idea, and I'm sure you guys want to try this one out. Comment down below if you're going to try this one out, if you like this idea. I am going to be cutting the top to make a hole at the top, just a round little hole to put that little ball glass thing through that part and closing it up. This is self-explanatory, guys, and this is so easy to do. You guys are gonna wanna try this one out, I'm telling you. And it is so inexpensive to use to decorate your outdoor space, your back patio, or wherever outside that you set up for your little seating area. This is just gonna be perfect to display outside, or perhaps put in your garden. And so inexpensive, guys. I'm telling you, you don't have to break the bank to do any form of decor, styling, any decoration at all. You could always put things together. Just be creative, guys. So here I'm just cutting the bottom part of the basket and making a small little hole to put that ball through it. Then I'm going to be closing it up right on the other end at the top, and then that's going to even create a little handle. It already has a handle on it. So this is how easy this DIY is. So I'm making sure that the wire is bent on the inside before I stick that the light shade. That's what it is inside, and making sure that that part come out for me to screw the top part to that part. Very easy to do, and it turns out very, very beautiful. And I'm gonna be just closing it up with that part. And guys, you could place this anywhere outside, like I said. Very inexpensive and very, very nice. So guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, become a part of the decor and DIY family. Here I show you how to style your home on a budget, and I show you how to buy Dollar Tree products, put them together and make beautiful decor out of them, guys. And I post on a daily basis. So guys, go ahead, hit subscribe. But when you hit subscribe, don't forget to put your post notification bell on. Why? That way you'll be the first to know when I put out a brand new video. The little arrow is located right at the side of the subscription button. All you have to do is hit that arrow and select all, you guys, and there you have it. How beautiful is that? I don't know, I have it on, but it's not showing. I should have turned the lights off so that you guys could see, but you guys know how these light works, that they are little solar lights. So once you put them outside and it's in the dark, they're gonna pop on. But this is absolutely beautiful. This turns out very nice, and you could do a couple of these to display in your yard, in your back patio space, or wherever you set up for your outdoor space for the summer, guys. This is absolutely beautiful. And please leave your comments down below if you try this one out. I'd like to hear from you. Give this video a thumbs up, guys, and please go ahead and share this video with your family and friends. Of course, I don't mind. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. So for this other DIY, I think I have showed you this one already, so I just add this one in the video because it's a summer DIY. So I'm going to be using the two same baskets. Instead, I'm using white to create a table for your outdoor space, a side table where you could rest your drinks on, or perhaps a nice floral arrangement. So for this DIY, I'm not going to be using glue, I'm using zip ties. So I'm going to be zip tying the baskets together. And I'm also going to be using a charger to place on the top for the table top view, guys. For this DIY, it's going to be a multifunctional DIY because you could also store things inside the basket as well as use it as a table. And there you have it, you guys, a beautiful side table for your outdoor space. I did not put it outdoor. I just leave it right here just to show you what it looks like. Of course, you could put whatever you like on top of it. Comment down below if you like this one. So for this other project, I will be making a beautiful little flowers arrangement, little floral arrangement, I should say, using this $2.99 vase I purchased from Burlington and these Dollar Tree flowers. Absolutely beautiful, guys. This costs what, $3 for the vase, and then the bunch was $1.25, and those greenery was $1.25. Not even $10, guys. Absolutely beautiful and inexpensive. So for this other project, I will be showing you how you could put together teachers appreciation gift. My sons are well, one of my sons is graduating, and I'm gonna definitely set up something for his teachers. So I'm giving you these two ideas that you could do also for your kids' teachers. Now everything was purchased from, of course, the Dollar Tree. You already know that's what I was gonna say, but I'm just saying it again. But guys, everything was purchased from the Dollar Tree except the bag. The bag was purchased from my local 99-cent store. So guys, these beautiful beauty products that you're looking at right here, these are the duplicates for the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, I believe what it's called. So these are the dupes, and they make a beautiful gift. Comment down below if you agree. I think they make a beautiful gift. Now all this needs is maybe just a gift card or whatever you want to add inside of it, but this makes a beautiful gift. Put in it, but this is a great idea for a little teacher's appreciation gift. Comment down below if you like this and let me know what you think, and at the same time give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, become a part of the Decor and DIY family. So for this other one, I'm using same bag. So this is the second idea. Putting that little container in, and I have that container from Valentine. I bought it at the Dollar Tree from Valentine. So yeah, I'm using that right there along with the decor threads. Okay guys, so this hydrangea bush or hydrangea flowers I purchased from the Family Dollar for $3. This little body fantasy spray I also purchased at Family Dollar, guys. So I'm adding those in, and those were $3 each. Yeah, and I'm gonna be putting that little flowers right there. Yeah, just to because one thing I like about this bag, I like the fact that it has a little display at the front so you can see what's inside. So I'm gonna be putting my flowers right there to the side, so whosoever get this gift, they could take the flowers out and put it in their vase that they have already, or if they want to utilize the container inside, they could also use it as a vase if they wish. Just a little idea of how you could set up your teacher's appreciation gift on a budget, right? So many of us have 1, 2, 3, 4 kids, so it's a lot of gifts, guys. So if you could do it on a budget, why not? And again, you could add your gift card, your postcard, or whatever you want to add to this, and I think this would make a nice little gift, you guys. Please comment down below, let me know what you think. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, guys, be creative. Bye bye.